Hi, today in front of me Tecno Camon 18 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click to open the app, click to yes I agree, tap to close, click to OK, and you will see here that information about your battery temperature. That's 31.3 degrees, as you can see. Also, you can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.